Hi guys, and welcome to Burton Caravan Centre. My name is Henry, and today I'm going to be taking you through our 2018 Sprite Major 6TD GTS edition. It's a 6-berth caravan with fixed bunk beds listed for $14,995. So, at the front here, we've got your gas bottle locker. And then the van does also come equipped with Alco ATC. All your standard stuff on this side. Exterior access locker just here for storage underneath the bottom bunk. Got some strongholds there if you did want to have a bike rack fitted or something else, and a window there as well. It is a single axle caravan that does come fitted with a e-move automatic engage motor mover. Nice high quality motor mover added as standard. Has an overall shipping length of 7.59 meters and an MTPLM of 1,550 kilograms. On this side here, we have an external gas barbecue point, another exterior access locker, and a 230 volt mains point. But overall, exterior in very nice condition with a nice decal on the side there as well. Now inside the caravan, you've got this lounge at the front, which does convert into a double bed or can be used as two large singles. You've got a console up here with some sockets, a pull-out table, shove that back in, some drawer space. Just here is where you'll pull out to create the double bed, and then some additional storage at the bottom. Just above, you've got your overhead lockers, quite wide and spacious. And there's your port for your radio as well. Then you've got some speakers and a nice sunroof overhead as well. Heading into the kitchen area, just move this pillow out the way for a second. You can see an extendable work surface, a Dometic three-way fridge freezer, can either operate off gas, mains or 12 volt. You've got your sink just here, microwave, some storage for some plates, and then just in here you have your solar panel regulator, as the van does come equipped with a solar panel. 3-burner gas hob, which also has a grill and oven. A little bit of storage underneath there. Cutlery drawer just here. And some additional storage down there as well. Opposing that, got some larger storage space in here with your aerial, a point to hang your clothes, and also your pull-out table. Nice mirror here, boss with GTS, signify it's dealer special. Then we've got your washroom area, you've got your toilet, sink, with some more storage, some shelving, another mirror, and then wastebasket and acroll inside the shower. Next to the door, got your bin there, and your main control panels, and your Truma heating panel. Finally, at the rear, you've got this curtain here that cuts across the top. You've got your 2 fixed bunk beds here, with storage underneath this bottom bunk, which another point you can access through is just here. You've got a cupboard here to feed through wires, whatever, for television. You've got this seating area just here, and that converts into a bunk bed as well, making it a 6-berth. And some more overhead storage up top. And there we go. So that's our 2018 Major 6TD GTS edition, listed for $14,995. If you'd like to know anything else about this caravan or any other that we have in stock, give us a call, send us an email, or check us out on our socials. I've been Henry. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.